Dashboards group charts and help you view related information in one place. All Wavefront users can view dashboards and make temporary changes. Let's explore the Cluster Metrics Exploration dashboard that's part of the Tour Pro integration. Each dashboard consists of a set of charts. If the dashboard has multiple sections, use the Jump To menu or just scroll to navigate between them. Many dashboards allow option selection, for example selecting the environment, through predefined variables or through global filters. By default, dashboards show the last 2 hours and display a refreshing live view of your data. You can change the live view to show, for example, the last 2 days, or you can turn off the live view and pick a set time frame to look at. You can also compare the current metrics with the state a day ago, a week ago, or a month ago. Finally, you can click any chart for more details. Change the chart type, pin the legend, or zoom in. You can get a link to share using the share icon or the share dialog. If you have dashboard permission, you can save dashboard changes and modify charts and dashboards in other ways.
For more information, detailed videos, and blogs about all Aria Suite products, please visit apps-cloudmanagement.techzone.vmware.com or simply scan the QR code to learn more.